Hello, kings and queens, the aspiring South African sourcing agents and current sourcing agents. My name is Selene Mbisi, a South African sourcing queen and related property coach. And yes, I am here to introduce another topic. But before we get to that topic, I would like to warmly welcome you and thank you for tuning in and staying with me. Now, the topic for today is sourcing in South Africa legal, or how to source legally in South Africa? Can't describe it any further. It is already self-explanatory. If you want to hear a bit more about sourcing legally in South Africa, please stay tuned until the end of this video. The simplest answer or response is no. It is no longer legal to source in South Africa, at least if you are still sourcing, the old-fashioned way. However, you have been sourcing before beginning 2022. So these law changes, they happened from, or effectively from, beginning Feb 2022. Okay, so if you're one of those people who still go out there, you find a property, you refer it to the investor and have the investor give you a certain kind of fee for all that hard work by means of a service level agreement, for example, that is no longer legal. Okay, so there is a way though to do this legally, and to be able to do this legally, you have two options. Option number one, it is basically being an estate agent, or in other words, a property practitioner. I think that is a better word, basically. So property practitioner, what is that? You're gonna have to go to a certain recently amended bill. I'm gonna show you on the next slide the name of the bill in exact format, so that you can be able to go Google it or ask your attorney about it, and basically make sure that you understand exactly what do they mean when they say you cannot be a sourcing agent without being an estate agent or a property practitioner, and what basically are the consequences of ignoring this, which, to give you a hint, you are going to have to pay back the money if you choose to ignore this. So it is very, very important. With that being said, I hope you are convinced to stay a bit longer and hear the second option. The second option is, if you want to source legally, you can do that by means of back-to-backs. Now, what the hell are back-to-backs? You are gonna have to either Google that and find it here on YouTube, on Google, or speak to your mentor if you have a property mentor, go through a training course. But basically, our training course, it has that option where we show you exactly how you can source by means of a back-to-back. Exactly that. Unlike just another investor who normally do your regular back-to-backs, we specifically explain to you what does this mean for you as a sourcing agent, okay, or as a sourcing specialist rather. Okay, so let us move on to the next slide so that you can be able to see where exactly can you go to understand this new bill. And as I said, if you want to learn more about how you can source by means of back-to-backs, please reach out to me. We do have a training which we think it can be suitable for you.